Let's start performing the qualitative analysis of basic radical. So this is the one mixture which is provided to me, and now I will be testing what are the things are there in this basic radical. ठीक है, चलो. So as you can see the color is white, so you will be writing either these cations would be there, and then nature I said most of the जो आपको mixture दिया जाएगा that would be crystalline in nature. ठीक है. For the detection part, we are going to start with a dry test. So this is the dry test. First is that heating in the dry test tube. So what we will do, we'll take a test tube of mixture, and I'm heating this. I can see here, selecting this burner. And see what kind of observation I am getting. I can see some noise is coming, crackling noise. You can see. Okay. And fumes are also coming. Okay, fumes are also coming. And some white residue is also you can see here. See, this is the observation part. So write whatever you are getting. In the dry test, there could be a multiple observation. Not to bother about, not to bother about. There could be a multiple observation. So I am crackling noise I am getting. Then after this you can write that colorless gas, fumes, white residue I am getting. So all these you can write. Dry test is it's just showing you the possibility that what things could be there. So from the dry test, what we can conclude, the noise, crackling noise we got a white sublimate. Okay, and a colored residue you can see white residue I am getting. So this much you need to write, and then we'll move to the next part, that is the NaOH test. We are not doing charcoal cavity test. A small amount of mixture, and I am putting NaOH. Okay, I am putting the NaOH, and so I have taken a small amount of this mixture and I am putting NaOH into it. Okay, and now what I will do, this is my turmeric paper. थोड़ा सा मैंने इसको पानी से क्या किया, वेट कर लिया है. ठीक है, and now I am heating. I am just putting from the mouth of the now you can see the color थोड़ा सा जो है आपको, it is getting little bit reddish brown. Yes, color is changing. Okay, now see, so the color is changed from yellow to brown, which indicates that this contains a NH4 plus. Okay, I can see the observation. See the color change. Flame test. What is the important part? So we have a platinum wire. This is a platinum wire. I have taken a small amount of a mixture, and I am heating in oxidizing flame. Oxidizing means blue flame, reddish blue. You can see the color. So color is, you can see the crimson red type of color. I will show it. I'll show you once again. See, I have taken, this is the loop. You can see small loop is there, the platinum wire. So I have taken a small amount of this mixture and I am subjecting. See, you can see the color. It's a reddish color. You can see crimson red. So which indicates that crimson red is there, which indicates that strontium is there in the mixture. Dry test, what we got so far, we got a NH4 ka positive test and then strontium ka positive test. Now, as I said in the beginning only, कि whatever basic radical you are performing, the NH4 plus would be there, and that is a group 0 का test. ठीक है? It comes in the group 0. So, what we'll do for the NH4 के लिए test, we'll take a OS and then sodium hydroxide, and then same thing that we did for here NaOH test के लिए, same thing we are going to do. Small amount of NaOH will heat and take the moist turmeric paper. Moist turmeric paper is that small amount of that water I am going to put on the turmeric paper, and then we'll see that whether the gas is evolving or not, or what is the color change in the moist turmeric paper. So I think this test already just now we have performed. Okay, so if you wish to do once again, you can do it. Since I am not doing, already I have shown you the same test. It is there, you can see in the dry test number 3, NaOH test. Okay, now I am going for the important test for this CET for NH4. Okay, so I am taking a small amount of OS and then Nessler reagent. I will see what type of color I am getting. Let's do the CET for NH4 plus. Okay, so I have prepared the OS solution. I hope you are aware of that, how to prepare the OS solution. I have taken a small amount of this and then water, nothing else. Okay, saturated solution. I am taking a small amount of to confirm that my NH4 is there or not. Small amount of OS you can see, and I am putting this Nessler reagent. Now you can see the color change, it is getting brown and brown. See, you can see the brown color. So brown PPT I am getting, which indicates that NH4 is confirmed. Okay, if I put in excess, I will get more brown. Okay, I will put more, I will get a more brown. See, I am putting in excess. See, I got the more. Okay, so this is NH4 is present, means NH4 ka that test is done. In the conformity test is also done. Okay, so out of this we have a Nessler reagent also that can be prepared. How it is prepared, it is written over here, but in this case we are going to provide you the prepared Nessler reagent, so no need to prepare the Nessler reagent. It is shown over here how it should be prepared. Okay, so from the above test we can conclude that the given mixture contains NH4 plus. As I said in the beginning only, आपको बेसिक रेडिकल में एक रेडिकल ऑलरेडी वो रहेगा ही रहेगा, उसका सब टेस्ट करना है आप. ठीक है, एंड इट शुड बी पॉजिटिव, दैट्स इट, दैट इज़ द NH4 प्लस. सेकेंड के लिए आपको थोड़ा सा आइडेंटिफाई करना है, एंड थोड़ा सा सम सॉर्ट ऑफ लाइक इंडिकेशन अपने को मिल गया है इन द फ्लेम टेस्ट दैट इज स्ट्रॉन्शियम may be there, but will confirm, will not write that maybe whatever it is coming in the dry test, and that's why we are going for the group detection ka test. ठीक है, so I will go for a group detection quickly. Now always remember that कि suppose initially we are not aware of that कि second हमारा कौन सा जो है रेडिकल है, बेसिक रेडिकल. So हम क्या करेंगे, we'll take a OS then dilute HCl, और विल सी दैट इफ़ पीपीटी इज़ कमिंग देन ग्रुप 1 इज़ प्रेजेंट, एंड उसी का हम लोग यहाँ पे क्या करेंगे, फर्दर एनालिसिस करेंगे. यू कैन सी ग्रुप 1 का एनालिसिस. सपोज आपको नहीं आया, नो पीपीटी, देन विल राइट नो पीपीटी ग्रुप 1 एब्सेंट, एंड देन विल गो प्रोसीड फर्दर. और जहाँ पर भी आपको प्रेजेंट आता वहीं पर उस ग्रुप में रुकना है और आपको उसका ही एनालिसिस करना है. ठीक है, फर्दर एनालिसिस. सो ऐसा नहीं कि आप डायरेक्टली सपोज इफ़ आई गॉट स्ट्रॉन्शियम, मुझे सपोज सम सॉर्ट ऑफ इंडिकेशन मिल गया कि स्ट्रॉन्शियम मुझे मिला, तो इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि स्ट्रॉन्शियम यहाँ पे मुझे मिला और डायरेक्ट मैंने क्या किया, ग्रुप 5 में मैं जंप कर दिया. दैट वुड बी रॉन्ग मेथड ऑफ डूइंग. तो सीक्वेंस, यू टेक OS प्लस डाइल्यूट HCl, सी द PPT इज कमिंग और नॉट, absent or present, then proceed further if it is absent. If it is present, then perform that test only. ठीक है, so I am doing in the sequence manner. Just try to see it properly and understand it also. I have taken a small amount of OS. Now I am putting HCl and let's see whether I am getting the PPT or not. See, I put the HCl and I am not getting any PPT, which means that my group 1 is absent. I will be going for the further group, and wherever present is there, I will stop myself and I will do the further detection. Now I have seen so far, I have done 1, 2, 3, group 1, group 2, group 3, but I'm not getting that. I'm not getting the any PPT, any positive result. So I have reached to the group this one. This is group 5th. I have done but 1, 2, 3. I have done it. So just to reduce the size of your video, so group 5 I'm going to do, and let's see if it is there in the group 5 or not, or else we'll go for the group 6. So this is a group 5 ka test, and I have taken the OS. Okay, so in the OS I will take a ammonium chloride. This is the ammonium chloride. With the help of a spatula I will take small amount of ammonium chloride and I will try to dissolve it. Okay, and okay. Now what I will do, I will put ammonium hydroxide, I put the ammonium chloride. Now I am putting the ammonium hydroxide. Okay, I'm putting the ammonium hydroxide. Okay, now ammonium carbonate. It's ammonium carbonate. So now you can see while putting the ammonium carbonate, I did not get any kind of a PPT. So here it shows that so now you can see here just putting that the white PPT, you can see the PPT has come. Okay, so which indicates that this group 5 is present. Okay, you have to wait. Initially you will not get, you just wait for a while, just for 30 seconds you can say, and thoda stabilize hone do, you will get the PPT. So white PPT I got, which indicates that calcium, barium और strontium present रहेंगे. Now यहाँ पे मुझे group के अंदर जो है, यहाँ पे मुझे I got the group 5 का positive result, which means that अब मुझे कैल्शियम, बेरियम और स्ट्रॉन्शियम पे ही फोकस करना पड़ेगा. दैट इज दी ग्रुप 5. नाउ हियर यू कैन सी ग्रुप 2, ग्रुप 3, 4, 5. So next page I can see group 5 is where it is group 5 is here. Okay, the same thing, that OS plus ammonium chloride, ammonium hydroxide and NH4 twice CO3 carbonate, ammonium carbonate आपको you are going to put, and we got the PPT. That is the same thing which I have shown just now. So you can see थोड़ा आपको यहाँ पे नीचे दिख रहा है PPT, you can see. So no need to perform this again. ठीक है, this is the same test that we did in the group. Now we'll move for above solution. I am going to put what? तो ये हो गया. So I have taken the above solution. Okay, and in this I have put potassium chromate and I got no PPT. You can see there is a no PPT, which indicates that either calcium or strontium would be there. ठीक है, so we'll do the further detection for calcium or strontium. So here it is written, if no PPT, then above test solution you need to add what? Ammonium sulfate. So if you are getting white PPT, which means that is strontium. If no white PPT or no PPT, so that is calcium is present. So let's see what is there in the mixture. So now you can see here I have just added a small amount of ammonium sulfate and I got the white PPT, which indicates that the strontium is there in the mixture. So we'll do the CET for strontium and then we'll write the result. Then deduction would be done, or deduction would be done, and then we'll write the result. So now you can see the conformity test. What I did, I took the above solution, that is the white PPT, and put it okay, ammonium oxalate, and I got the white PPT. Okay. So this indicates that my strontium is there in the mixture. Okay. So we can write the strontium and NH4 plus to the result. So in this way we are going to perform the basic radical analysis.